Coach, hi. You started with 2 victories in a row, then you had a draw and then a loss. Are you happy with the way the team is playing so far?
Hombre, teniendo en consideración que hemos jugado contra dos de los equipos que se supone que van a estar arriba, como es Calcuta y es Bengaluru, pues bueno, pues en la clasificación estamos a 2 puntos del primero, con lo cual pues los resultados en cuanto a lo deportivo son buenos. En cuanto al juego, pues todavía estamos a mitad de camino de lo que pretendemos.
About the results, yes, we are happy, taking into account that we have played against two of the teams that are supposed to be on the top of the league at the end of the season, like Kolkata and Bengaluru. So we are happy with the results, but and with the game, with how are we playing, we are still in a process. We're still working on, and we hope we will get better.
Coach, how do you approach this game against FC Goa? It's a first match after the long international break, and FC Goa have a formidable home record. So what are your thoughts over this game?
Bueno, antes cuando he hablado de dos equipos que hemos jugado, importantes dentro de lo que yo considero que pueden, a riesgo de equivocarme, estar al final de la liga, me dejaba uno porque todavía no hemos jugado contra ellos, que es Goa, ¿no? Goa, Bengaluru y Calcuta pues están, yo lo sé, veo como un punto por encima de todos los demás. Ojalá me equivoque y seamos nosotros los que estamos un poco más arriba, pero no te voy a decir cómo voy a afrontar el partido, porque si se entera Sergio, a lo mejor la que me lía es fina.
Yeah, when I was talking about the two teams that, in my point of view, are over the rest, I was missing one. I was missing Goa because we haven't played against them. But yes, Goa, Kolkata and Bengaluru for me are the top three teams at this moment. So I'm not going to tell you how we're going to try to beat them, because if Sergio gets the information, maybe he can beat us. But yeah, they're a great team. They're a great team, and let's see.
Coach, FC Goa will be missing 2 players due to suspension. Do you think this is the best time to defeat them?
Yo creo que Goa tiene un bloque muy importante. Los equipos no se miden por 1 o 2 jugadores, se miden por el bloque. Las plantillas son las que ganan los campeonatos. Yo creo que Goa tiene una plantilla importante como para no echar de menos a 2 jugadores. Sé que nos vamos a enfrentar a un equipo con esos o sin esos.
So the great teams, the teams that are able to win championship are those that have good squads, enough players. So what we think is Goa, it's a great team even without those 2 players. So we're going to face a very difficult team if they're playing or they're not. So.
How would this break work for Jamshedpur FC?
Yo espero que bien. O sea, cuando tienes un parón de estas características, pues si tienes una dinámica buena habitualmente, pues hay que tener mucho cuidado para seguir en la misma dinámica, y cuando la dinámica a lo mejor no es buena, tienes una oportunidad de ir para adelante. Nosotros queremos hacernos consistentes con nuestro juego, y todo el tiempo que podamos conseguir pues son días de entrenamiento que puede hacer que el equipo pues se sincronice mucho mejor. Yo espero que hoy estemos mejor que el último día.
I hope it's good for us. When you have a few good matches before a stop like this, a break like this, you have to be careful, because you're cutting that dynamic of winnings. But for us, it's maybe good, so we have more time to prepare, more time for training and keep improving. So I think it's going to be good for us.
Hi, Coach. Gananil here from ISL Digital. My question to you is, you have spent a few months now with the group of players. How well have they responded to your tactics or to what you want them to do?
Que ya llevas un tiempo con este grupo de jugadores y que cómo deberían han respondido a las tácticas y cómo lo ves.
Me gustaría que hubiera sido más rápido la adaptación. Yo sé que lo que pretendemos no es sencillo. Las cosas fáciles pues se hacen muy rápido, las cosas que merecen la pena cuestan un poquito más. Entonces estamos tratando de mejorar cada día y espero que lo antes posible consigamos al menos ese nivel o una cosa parecida a lo que buscamos.
I will like that the adjustment to the players to what we want from them would be a little bit faster, but we understand that it's a little bit difficult what we are asking them. So difficult things and good things takes time. So we're going to try to just keep improving and trying to get better and get the team that we want to have.
Sergio, hi. What were the reasons that actually brought you to India, and what is your first impression about Indian football?
Well, my decision to come to India is because I thought it was a great opportunity for me to improve. When such a big country like this called you, I don't think it too much, and I knew the mister before, the way that he used to play and everything, so for me it was an easy decision. Also because he's partnered with Atletico, so it was easier as well. And the way that we are playing, we are trying to improve every day, every training. So we keep doing that. We need to keep doing that, and I'm very happy to stay here with this team and with this club.
What is the impression about Indian football?
Well, here, my first impression of the game is that it's very physical, because in minute 60 there is like two blocks and too many space. So, but it's good to the fans, you know, it's good spectacle. Sometimes many goals, not like in Spain or Italy that is very tactical. So I like it too much to play here. I enjoy it myself.
Sergio, you are one of the younger foreign players in ISL. So with regards to your career ambition, is ISL providing you the right challenge?
Yes. Well, at the moment I don't know my future, but to be honest with you, I'm enjoying a lot. ISL is a fantastic league. I'm very happy to stay here, and next year I have to talk with Atletico. You know, I have 2 more years with them. But as I said to you, I'm enjoying a lot this season, playing for this club and in this country. So I'm very happy now.
How do you see life in Jamshedpur beyond football?
Well, life is such different, like very different as Madrid. You know, I live in Madrid, so you have everything. In Jamshedpur is very relaxed and quiet life. But we live all together, so it's easier for us to take time to play some things. You know, I'm a big fan of Ludo, so I play a lot with Piti, Noé, and Aitor. And we have some places to go and have some coffee and those things. It's just quiet and relaxed life, more professional, focus on football. So it's good. I'm okay there.
Spanish players in FC Goa have made a very big impression. So would you like to play to the galleries and show your talent tomorrow?
Sorry, repeat that?
Spanish players in FC Goa have made a great impression on all over India. They are the best. They are regarded as some of the best Spanish players in India right now. So would you like to trump them tomorrow and play to the galleries?
Yeah, well, of course. I know the Coro and every Spanish, they made a very good seasons here. My job here is to help my team, you know. If I score as many goals as I can, and we'll see in the future, when the championship finish and those things, if I can go to their place or not.
Basil here from the Goan. My question to you is, you all are having a game after a long break. How do you look at it, and particularly since two of your key players are missing?
About key players, I prefer not comment this situation. I prefer not comment the decision about the suspended Hugo Bumus, no Len, because Len, the situation is different, but I prefer not comment today this situation. Key players, I think we are a strong team above individualities, and tomorrow is a good opportunity for us to show all people this. It's difficult for us, but as a coach, only can to work about to change the situation, and tomorrow we are building a strong and competitive team. Long break, for all teams is the same situation. We tried to work to arrive well for tomorrow, and it's not an excuse because all teams is in the same situation.
Hi coach, FC Goa have had the better share of head-to-head encounters against Jamshedpur. How do you see tomorrow's encounter to be?
I think it's not different because Jamshedpur is a very good team, is a very strong team, very good defender team, but very good attacking players. I think they have a very good balance, attack-defense, and going to be a very difficult match tomorrow for us.
Coach, did FC Goa make a mistake by not signing the 7th foreign player?
So,
Did FC Goa make a mistake by not signing the 7th foreign player?
I don't know. You can opinion in your job about this, but the situation is only one match. I could use 5 foreign players, and in this match against Mumbai, Edu Bedia is not possible playing 90 minutes. You can see, you know, this situation is not easy. It's not easy. I think it's not necessary to comment, nothing more.
Coach, do you think from now onwards your team has to be more? Do you think from now onwards your team players have to be more careful on the pitch to avoid suspension and other offences?
We need to work very well in our style, in our idea, to play very well, to score goals, defend well. We need this.
Edu, since your absence at the start of the season due to injury, Lenny and Jahu have combined well in central midfield. Given a choice, where would you prefer to play?
Bueno, a mí me gustaría jugar donde decida el míster. Yo lo que quiero es jugar y sí que es verdad que en los partidos que no he estado por lesión o por lo que sea, tenemos plantilla de sobra para que lo haga perfectamente.
I would like to play wherever the coach decides to. All the time I've been out of the squad, it hasn't been a problem because our squad is big and with quality enough.
Edu, how difficult is it for players to make a comeback from injuries? Yeah. How difficult is it for players to make a comeback once they are injured?
Sí, yo creo que cuanto antes se olviden las lesiones, antes se superan. Yo ya la tengo olvidada completamente. Ahora mismo ya pienso que estoy al 100% y ya, bueno, para lo que el míster decida.
I think the sooner you forget about the injuries, the faster you get over them. And now I'm at my 100%, so now is the time for the coach to decide.
Coach, what is your general assessment about the way FC Goa have played this season? Yeah? Do you believe the team can get better or do better than what they did last season from the first 5 matches that FC Goa have played?
No, dice que cuál es tu valoración hasta ahora de los 5 primeros que hemos jugado y bueno, echando la vista atrás también los 5 primeros, si crees que va a ir a mejor el estilo de la forma de jugar.
I am very happy with my players. I am very happy with the results we could get because every match, different situation, every match, different circumstance. We unbeaten so far, and I am very happy. It's difficult to analyze 4 matches in 2 sentences. Every match is different. I am very happy with the game against Chennai. I think against Jamshedpur, the circumstance is very difficult for us and to get 1 point. In Northeast, it's not the same situation because I feel we lose 2 points, and the last match we played very good game, and we can to get 3 points against a very difficult opponent team. And the future dependent for us is difficult. In all this is past, and the future is depending for us.